Hey guys, it is me, Shopper here, and today I'm going to be playing some Murder Mystery 2. Um, so today, I see the, oh good, the murderer died. Right, brilliant. Holy crap, look at the face of the sheriff, it's creepy. Let's do no base. Well, I don't know which one. What does she mean, really? Wait, oh, finally, that's what she said. I thought she said really. Oh, I'm a sheriff. So, yeah. Um, alright. Seems the murderer cannot be anywhere. Alright, I can't just, like, hide, alright, I'm just gonna, like, walk around till I find the murderer. Alright, don't go there till you hear a stab. I don't know about bad IPs though. Right. Like Nick. Oh, sorry for that. Like, sorry if I'm just, my voice is like so deep because I was taking a nap hours ago and I'm really tired. But, yeah, it's like 6 in the evening. Where is the murderer? If I don't find him, then are you the murderer or not? Let's check. Do not fire by accident. Hold on. Who is the murderer? I'm checking. Like, it's one of these three. But, go here, check. Wow, the murderer is just bad. Alright. Oh, I heard that. Let's see what I see. Oh shoot, he had it. Why did I not know that? I had to get a direct shot at him. I had to get a direct shot. I just had to get a direct shot at the murderer so I can Office 2 factory. I'll just do factory, I guess. Actually, bank instead. Alright, bank. It is. Oh, I didn't know this for like 5 minutes. Why am I always innocent? I hate it when you're innocent. Oh shoot, one of these people could be the murderer. I'm not the murderer. I'm not the murderer. Get. Alright. Can someone own this? Oh no. Only the... Don't make us! Don't make us! No! Is this guy... Stop. One of these guys can be the... Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. No. I have a feeling one of those people could be the murderer. No! Is these guys... Oh, shoot. Run away. Do not. Hide. I saw him. I swear. Go in. Go in, dude. Do not let... Yeah, it's not me, I swear. It's the blue hair. Alright, it's not him. Gotta look up the murder. Oh, shoot! The blue. Why is he stalking me? Alright, go after someone else. It's a dead body. 2 dead bodies. It's the blue. It's him! I see him! It's not me. I swear. It's him. Alright. Not gonna... Hold on. Let's take a look. It's the blue hair. Look for him. Oh, dang! Finally. Yeah, right, finally. Oh, she was the hero. Oh my, I just realized that I'm on a full screen now. Bank again? Let's do hotel. Alright, where's the... Oh my gosh! Are you kidding me? I'm the murderer now. Right. You gotta kill him. You gotta kill everybody. 3, 2, 1. Boom! He didn't even expect that. Alright, act like you're innocent. Alright, if you see someone who's, nearby you, don't kill them with kindness. Alright, I'm just gonna pretend I'm gonna act innocent. What's this dog doing? Let's see. Boom! Easy. Well. How do they not realize that I'm a murderer? It's like, literally, random. Alright, let's just see if this guy... No! This guy sees me. Alright, I'm just gonna, let's get that. Right, if someone is AFK, and, oh, that's him from the start. He died over there. 3, 2, go after him. Where is he? Anyways. Oh, let's get her. Let's go after her. Ouch! Finally got someone. She probably didn't know how, I got. Come on! Get after him! Go after this. How's... Come on! Stop running! Boom. That was easy. And now, time to go after you, but I'm going after. Are you freaking kidding me? Someone decided to shoot me. Wow. Well, GG, I guess. Oh my gosh. I did not. That's a lot of people that I killed, by the way. So 11 people. I think the person who I killed first. Alright, loading right now. Alright, I'm innocent this time. Why am I innocent? That's, like, everybody does not like innocent. Like, no, I'm heard that. Sorry. Oh, it could be her. It could be her. One of us. Not me. It's not me this time. I swear. Oh, it's him. It's him. Freak. Alright, I'll get back to y'all when the next round starts. Alright, so the murderer just died by another sheriff. Yeah. Alright, that's loading up. This could be my last round before innocent. Alright. This is the worst ending ever. It is. I'm not even joking. Like, being innocent, and that's the worst ending. I wish I would be like, sheriff is fine, but, alright. I gotta hide somewhere. Yep. No! Don't reveal your hiding spot! Help. Help. Why is it not letting? It's not letting me. It looks like it's on. It's just setting. Oh, dang. Actually, this is not gonna be my last one. Alright, that was pretty quick. Alright, this is actually gonna be my last one before I have to go because I only have like 1 minute to record. Let's do house 2. Actually, hospital. No! Really? Alright. Wait. It could be that no. Dang it, I'm innocent. This is lit all for the I should usually stay here before the game starts. Right. I'm not gonna do it this time. Shoot. Who is someone anyway? Oh, he's the sheriff, so he's keeping. Is it her?